Hey guys, I am back another camera review, and today in this video I am going to camera test Redmi Note 12 Pro. The phone comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX766 sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro shooter, and the front is come with 16 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080 30 60 120fps to 40fps slow-mo video, and the video quality is average quality, and you also record 720p 960fps super slow-mo video. Now talk about the picture quality. Yeah, you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details in the daylight. As you can see that all the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is pretty good. Yeah, I like this smartphone camera sensor thanks to Sony IMX766 sensor. And the 8 megapixel ultra wide you can get almost natural picture has main camera. So overall the ultra wide camera is not bad. Let's now talk about the portrait picture. Yeah, you can take a good portrait picture. So overall the portrait picture is average quality. Let's move on low light and night picture. So when you take a picture in a night, definitely use night mode. Then you get pretty good picture with a lot of details. Yeah, night mode is also very good. If you have a good lighting condition, definitely you can get pretty much good night picture. By the way, I am already making this smartphone full review in 2023. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. So overall the Redmi Note 12 Pro camera quality is too good. So that's for today. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.